If fruit flies keep taking over your kitchen, don't keep chasing them with random sprays. Instead, try making this simple homemade fruit fly trap using a few common household ingredients. The idea is simple. Let's make the mixture step by step. Start with one clean mixing bowl. Add 1 cup of water. Water plays an important role in this mixture because it helps combine and dilute the other ingredients, creating a liquid base that can spread evenly throughout the trap. Next, add 2 tablespoons of regular granulated sugar. Sugar is an important part of the attraction. Fruit flies are naturally attracted to sweet fermenting food sources, which is why sugary ingredients are commonly used in homemade fruit fly traps. Once the sugar is added, now add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda is commonly used around the home for cleaning and odor control purposes. In this trap, it becomes part of the overall mixture rather than being relied upon as a guaranteed insect killer. Add it carefully and stir it into the liquid. Next comes the dish soap. Add 2 tablespoons of liquid dish soap, then slowly mix everything together. The dish soap is important because it changes the surface behavior of the liquid. When insects come into contact with a soapy solution, the soap can reduce surface tension, making it harder for them to remain on the surface and escape. This helps turn the attractive liquid into a more effective physical trap. Now we're going to add white vinegar. Measure 100 milliliters of white vinegar and slowly pour it into the mixture. White vinegar is especially useful in fruit fly traps because its acidic smell can help attract fruit flies. Add it gradually and stir the entire mixture until all the ingredients are evenly combined. And that's our homemade fruit fly trap mixture. Now let's prepare the actual trap. Take a clean, empty plastic bottle. Carefully cut the bottle so that you can create an upper funnel section and a lower container section. If you're using a knife or scissors, work carefully on a stable surface and keep your fingers away from the cutting path. The opening should point downward into the lower part of the bottle. This creates a simple funnel-style entrance. The important part is that fruit flies can enter through the narrow opening, but the shape makes it more difficult for them to find their way back out. Now pour some of the prepared mixture into the bottom of the bottle. Don't fill the bottle all the way. You only need enough mixture at the bottom to create an attractive trapping area while leaving plenty of space above the liquid. Once the mixture is inside, carefully place the inverted upper section back into the bottle. And just like that, your DIY fruit fly trap is ready. Now place the trap in areas where you've noticed fruit flies, such as near the kitchen counter, around a fruit bowl near the trash area, or other suitable locations where flies are commonly seen. The sweet and acidic smell can attract fruit flies toward the trap. They approach the opening, enter through the funnel, and move downward toward the liquid mixture. Once they reach the liquid, the soapy solution can make it difficult for them to remain on the surface and escape. Over time, you may start seeing trapped flies inside the bottle. For the best results, keep the trap in an appropriate location and monitor it regularly. If the mixture becomes dirty or loses its effectiveness, replace it with a fresh batch. Also remember that a trap works best when you remove the conditions that attract fruit flies in the first place.